Hey friends, this is Miss Lisa with the Anderson County Library. I am so glad you've joined us today. We're going to do a few storytime activities, and this is actually week 5 of our summer reading story times. Do you like to pretend? I do. It's a lot of fun, isn't it? Well, our story time is about pretending and make-believe, and we are going to start by pretending that we are a teapot. And we're going to sing, I'm a little teapot. And I know that this is a favorite of yours. So let's start. We're going to have a handle and a spout. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Oh, very good. Let's do a little wiggling. So we had our handle on our right side. Let's put our handle on our left side now. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Oh, very good, my friends. Do you think a cow can jump over a moon? Or how about a cat playing a fiddle? Next, I'm going to share with you a very silly Mother Goose Rhyme, and it's called Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. I'm going to do that one more time with you. You can help me if you know it. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. I'm so glad you joined us, and I'm going to go over this week's grab and go bag that you can pick up at any library location. So this is going to be our last week, week 5, and this is called Land of Make-Believe. It kind of ties in what we did today. And in this grab and go bag, there's going to be activities, early literacy activities that help your child get ready to read. There's going to be songs. There's going to be a couple games in here. One is going to be the gingerbread counting game, and they are going to actually provide for you a gingerbread template that you can play the game with. There's going to be a texture sorting game, a crooked man game that you're going to play with masking tape on the ground, and also you're going to be able to read the Three Little Bear story in this packet. So please come by, pick up your packet this week, pick up some great books to read with your child, and until next time, bye-bye.